If Windows Update keeps failing with errors like OX800F, 081F, 0x800-70002, 0x800-73712, or 0x800F0922, here's how to repair the components it relies on with DISM and SFC. You'll use Windows' built-in repair tools to check the Windows image, repair its component store, and restore protected system files. This process works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and can resolve many update failures without reinstalling Windows. Windows maintains its component store under Win10, and that store is central to servicing the operating system. It contains files and package metadata used to install updates, enable optional features, and support repairs. If those resources are missing or corrupted, Windows Update may fail because the servicing process cannot access the components it needs. Repairing this store addresses the underlying Windows image, rather than only retrying the failed update. The order of these tools matters. DISM works on the Windows image and repairs the component store, while System File Checker inspects protected Windows system files. When SFC finds an incorrect, modified, missing, or corrupted file, it needs a known good replacement from that store. Running DISM first gives SFC a repaired source to work from, and reduces the chance that SFC will be unable to complete a repair. Unless you specify another source, DISM can contact Windows Update for required repair content, so a stable connection matters. A restrictive proxy, VPN, management policy, or unavailable organizational update service can prevent that download. Error 0x800FOF081F indicates that the required source files could not be found. For a stubborn failure, you can use installation media matching the installed build, architecture, language, and edition. The source option identifies those files, while limit access prevents contact with Windows Update. Start by opening an elevated command prompt because DISM and SFC need administrator rights to make repairs. Open Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. The shield icon confirms that this action requires elevated permission. If that option is unavailable, sign in with an administrator account. Windows now asks you to approve the elevated session before any repair commands can run. On the User Account Control prompt, click Yes to allow Command Prompt to start with administrator rights. This confirmation protects Windows from unauthorized system-level changes. If you cannot select Yes, you'll need administrator credentials before continuing. This first DISM command performs a quick check for corruption already flagged by an earlier servicing process. Run DISM online, cleanup image, check health, and review the results shown in Command Prompt. It reports whether corruption has been detected and whether the image is repairable, but it does not repair anything. If the command is not recognized, confirm every space and slash before trying again. Next, you perform a deeper scan of the component store instead of relying only on existing corruption flags. Run DISM online/cleanup image/scan health and allow the scan to finish. This can take several minutes and still does not change or repair files. If the percentage pauses, leave the window open because a temporary pause does not mean the scan has failed. Now, you run the command that actually repairs corruption in the online Windows image. Enter DISM online/cleanup image/restore health and wait for the restore operation to complete. It commonly takes 5 to 15 minutes and may download required files through Windows Update. Do not close the window if progress appears stuck. If you receive 0x800F, 0x08NF, check your connection or use a compatible repair source. With the component store repaired, SFC can now check protected Windows files against known good copies. Run SFC/scan now and let the scan reach completion. The final message will tell you whether no violations were found, files were repaired, or some files could not be fixed. If repairs remain incomplete, restart Windows, run Restore Health again, and then repeat this SFC scan. Finally, open Settings directly to the Windows Update page so you're ready to retry the failed update. Before checking again, save your work and restart Windows to reload repaired files and servicing components. After that restart, return to this page and check for updates. If the same error remains, note its exact code and the update's KB number for further troubleshooting. After the repairs finish, restart Windows before checking for updates again so the repaired files and servicing components fully reload. If the update still fails, join the discussion thread on windowsforum.com with the KB number, exact error code, and final DISM and SFC messages for help with your specific setup.